Welcome back to the FP&A Automation Series. Today, we dive into the first view of the staffing dashboard, the overview. Serving as a central hub for all things staffing, it seamlessly integrates financial metrics and empowers you to make informed strategic actions regarding your staffing needs. Let's dive in. In this view, we showcase the main KPIs that are crucial for understanding your organization's staffing health, combined with essential performance metrics like revenue growth, PTI margin, and more. Whether it is headcount, salary, or run rate, with dynamic filter options, you can slice and dice all available data. Select the relevant period, the solution line, product or service you are looking for the region you would like to review to get customizable insights tailored to your organization's needs. Get trending updates with intuitive visualizations, such as interactive line charts. Or take a closer look at the breakdown of additions and separations across staffing groups and requisition statuses, all in the same view. So stay tuned for the upcoming 4 videos to find out what further insights and capabilities we have in store for you, all within the Power BI Staffing Dashboard. For more information or to get in touch, visit our website at urtmsolutions.com.